Good morning, officer.
Good morning. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Sure, here they are.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a business meeting and a short vacation.
How long do you plan to stay in the country?
I will be staying for 10 days.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I have it right here in my folder. Excuse me, could you help me find my seat?
Certainly. May I see your boarding pass? You are in seat 12A by the window.
Thank you. Is there any space left in the overhead bin?
Let me check. Yes, there is some space right above your row.
Could I get a blanket, please? It's a bit chilly here.
Of course, I will bring you one as soon as we reach our cruising altitude.
What time will the meal be served?
We will start the meal service in about 45 minutes.
Can I have some water, please?
Certainly. Would you like still water or sparkling?
Excuse me, is there anything I can do to be more comfortable?
Certainly. Would you like a blanket or pillow? We also have some complimentary snacks.
A pillow, please. And could I have some water?
Of course. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you. That's all for now.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Excuse me, could I get some water?
Certainly. Here you go. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, thank you. How much longer is the flight?
We have about 3 more hours left. Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am. The turbulence was a bit concerning, though.
That was just a minor turbulence.
Passenger and taxi driver.
Excuse me, are you the first taxi in the queue?
Yes, I am. Where can I take you today?
I need to go to the city center, specifically near the National Museum.
No problem. That's a popular spot. Let me help you with those heavy bags.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Is the trunk big enough for 3 suitcases?
It should be. Just a moment. Yes, they all fit perfectly. Please have a seat inside.
Is there a fixed rate to the city center, or do you use the meter?
We usually use the meter, but I can give you a flat rate of $40 if you prefer.
I think I'll stick with the meter, thanks. Is there a lot of traffic right now?
It's rush hour, so the main highway might be a bit slow. I might take a shortcut.
That's fine, as long as we get there safely. Do you have GPS in the car?
Yes, I have it on my dashboard, but I've lived here for 20 years, so I know these roads by heart.
That's good to hear. By the way, is it safe to walk around that area at night?
Generally, yes, it's a very busy area with lots of tourists and security.
Great! Can we stop at an ATM or a currency exchange on the way?
Sure, there's a bank just 2 blocks away from here. It won't take long.
Excellent. Also, do you mind if I charge my phone in your car?
Not at all. There's a USB port right behind the center console. Feel free to use it.
Thanks a lot. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure. Sit back and relax. We'll be there in about 25 minutes.
Can you recommend a good local restaurant near the museum?
Absolutely. There's a small place called The Local Plate. They serve the best traditional food.
I'll definitely check it out. Do I need to pay the toll for the bridge?
No, the toll is already included in the meter fare. You don't need to worry about it.
Perfect. We're getting close, right?
Yes, the museum is just around the next corner. Where exactly should I drop you?
Right in front of the main entrance would be perfect.
Here we are. The meter says $32.50.
Here is $35. Keep the change for your help with the bags.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a wonderful stay in the city.